The information in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose or treat any specific medical condition. Use of this information is not a substitute for advice from your physician or therapist.
Here in our clinic, we believe the body is a unit, not just mind, body, spirit, but that the head is actually connected to the feet by everything in between. I like to use this toy as an illustration of how our body works. You see how there are parts that freely move, that are gliding up and down the rods, and then there are these rods, there are these ropes, and then there's knobs. Now, these are all interconnected, they're all interdependent upon one another, sort of entangled with each other, and that's sort of like how our body is. These are all interconnected to one another, so if you push on one area, so if I pull here and I pull here, then this area begins to move a little bit. There's a little bit of pressure there, and I can twist, and you can see how these are interconnected. Well, imagine this knob here may be your shoulder or your hip. Now, if it's painful there, we're going to do an evaluation to make sure no harm is happening, that there's no arthritis, no tendinitis, there's no tears or injuries there. But after that evaluation, if we can't find any harm, then we start wondering what's hurting that area. What area outside the shoulder or the hip may be pulling abnormally, putting excessive stress and load on the joints, on the muscles, and the tissues, causing hurt. The osteopathic structural exam is designed to look at all the areas that are directly and even indirectly connected to the area of where you're hurting, and we would use osteopathic manipulative treatments to gently restore joint movement, muscle balance, and core strength so that any tension that occurs begins to relax. And if it begins to relax and more balance is achieved, now there's less pressure at this area, so therefore there can be some strength and endurance restored, and then we use exercises to improve the muscle strength and endurance on a daily basis.